treat you kind, and I hope you have all you dreamed of, and I wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love.
Hello lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Momandprettyimisi here again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how I achieve that gorgeous miracle crochet hairstyle on my 4C natural hair. If you've been following me for a while, you already know I love protective hairstyles that are beautiful, low stress, and still allow my scalp to breathe. So this one right here checks all the boxes. So before we get into the crochet technique, let me quickly show you how I prepped my hair. And today I washed my 4C hair thoroughly, conditioned it, and then applied the rich butter I applied earlier on. So if you have not watched my previous video where I made that butter, go ahead and check the link in the video description. That butter is packed with nutrients and moisture, and it keeps my hair soft, manageable, and protected. So it's honestly one hair butter every naturalista should have at home. You all know I have a very thick 4C hair, so once it is washed, I have to braid it immediately to avoid shrinkage and tangling. That is why I'm going straight into braiding. So for this hairstyle, I'm doing individual single braids all over my head. The key to making this miracle crochet look neat and professional is having a very clean, well sectioned base. So take your time with the pattern. Make sure your scalp is neat and your braids are evenly spaced. That clean foundation is what gives you that I paid for this kind of look. I'm done braiding my natural hair down to the ends. I could honestly stop here and rock my natural braids because they look good already, but today we are elevating it with extensions. So now let's talk about the hair I'm using. I'm using hair from Ula Hair. I have 3 packs for this style. Each pack comes with multiple strands that are designed like a micro loop crochet. I've used this hair several times on my channel, and if you want to see other styles using the same hair, make sure you check out my ladies hairstyle playlist. I have different creative looks you can try out. So let's get into the miracle crochet technique. This style is different from the traditional crochet method where you just braid your hair straight back in cornrows and then attach the crochet hair. With this method, we are working differently with our individual braids. So that gives it like that boho braid illusion and makes it look so natural and lightweight. So here is what I do. First, I take one strand of the crochet hair and attach it to the tip of my natural braid. I loop it in securely and then begin braiding it together with my natural hair. I mean the tip of my natural hair. This step is very important because it ensures your natural hair blends in and doesn't peek out. I braid it down carefully so my 4C hair is fully tucked inside the extension. Once that is secure, I move up slightly towards the middle of the braid. Then I take another loop strand, insert the crochet needle through the braid, hook the hair, pull it in through, and knot it securely. And this adds fullness and dimensions. So next, I go a bit higher towards the top of the braid and repeat the process. So let's start again. Just take a closer look at what I'm doing.
you kind, and I hope you have all you dreamed of, and I wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love. And I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you.
Now we are done. Look at this fullness, everyone. Who would believe this is a miracle crochet style? It looks just like boho braids. It has volume, it has movement, and the scarf still looks natural and visible.
You have all you dreamed of, and I wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you
The spacing at the back is neat. The braids are well distributed. The curls from Ula Hair give it the soft, luxurious texture. It honestly feels like soft woman hair, and I love running my fingers through it because it is so soft and fluffy. The coils give it that romantic, effortless look. You can tilt it to one side, pack it up into a half up style, or even put it in a ponytail. Before finishing up, I like to apply a little mousse. This helps to define the coils, reduce frizz, and add shine. This miracle crochet style is mesmerizing. It is soft, full, lightweight, and elegant. It's something you can achieve at home within a short amount of time, especially if you already know how to braid your own hair. So if you're looking for a protective hairstyle that allows your scalp access, it is not too heavy, it looks like boho braids, and that can be done at home, then you should try this style for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to grab the link to ULAHAIR on the video description. I'm telling you, a trial will convince you. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.